Hi, my name is Sandy Slade, creator of Skillastics, the large group physical activity resource that combines active and cooperative learning with the development of students' fitness and sports skills. Today we are talking about number 2 in the 5 Easy E's to accurately implement Skillastics successfully. So we are going to be talking about number 2, educate. Now, in each activity kit system includes 2 instructional resources, and the first one I'm going to talk about is a DVD. Now, instructors can use this in 2 different ways. You can familiarize yourself with it individually before you instruct the children, or just pop it in and let the children follow the children on the video, and they can become familiar with the activities that way. Another way is the task cards. Each of our activity kit systems include laminated task cards that show each of the 26 activities and then also detailed explanation on the back. These are great ways to educate all your students and familiarize themselves with all the activities prior to play.